request all of you for a huge round of applause and welcome the respected Director Sir, Dean Sir, Dean Science and Humanities, all of you on this joyous occasion to give a huge round of applause with happy smiling faces, assuring that we all gather to celebrate the legacy of the legend, welcoming our Dean FMS. I would also now request everyone to kindly take the seat, and I would request the guests on the dais to please come up on the stage and take the seatings. Dr. Kalpana Patel, HOD, Department of Physics. Since we are here gathered together to celebrate the legacy of the legend, our founder, Chancellor, Honorable Dr. T.R. Parivinder Sir, I would request all of you to keep smiling, be a part of this joyous occasion, and let's celebrate this beautiful and blissful evening together. May I request Dr. Kalpana Patel, HOD, Department of Physics, to please come up on stage and be on the dais. Dr. Avnish Vashisht, HOD, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, to please come up on stage. Dr. Rupali Singh, HOD, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, to please be on the stage, and Mr. Freedom Daniel, HOD, Department of Automobile Engineering, to be on the stage. Our guests for today, very warm welcome to all the guests as well. Please have a seat. इस खूबसूरत आफ्टरनून की शुरुआत करते हैं और उनका जन्म दिवस बनाते हैं जो सच में ही हमारे लिए प्रेरणा का स्रोत है। नाम बिल्कुल करेक्ट ही है ना, प्रेरणा दिवस, क्योंकि जब भी उनके बारे में पढ़ने जाएं या उनके बारे में किसी से बात करें या सुने तो आँखें और चेहरा दोनों चमका जाता है, क्योंकि लिसनिंग टू द लेजेंडरी लीडर हु ऑलवेज सेट्स एन एग्जाम्पल is something that we are all blessed with. तो शुरुआत करते हैं with the lamp lightning. For that, I would request the dignitaries on the dais, dignitaries of the dais, to please come across to the stage. कुछ बच्चे to celebrate the birthday of our honorable founder chancellor, please come up on stage. आओ बच्चों, आओ lamp lightning के लिए please come. These two beautiful girls, come along. ये दिन स्टाफ के लिए नहीं, हमारे बच्चों के लिए भी उतना ही सुंदर है।
कल्याणम आरोग्यम धन संपदः शत्रुबुद्धि विनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोस्तुते दीपज्योतिः परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापं सन्ध्यादीपनमोऽस्तुते ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः आरोग्यं देहि पुत्रांश्च मतिं स्वच्छां हि मे सदा रवेरस्तं समारभ्य यावत् सूर्योदयो भवेत् रवेरस्तं समारभ्य यावत् सूर्योदयो भवेत् यस्य तिष्ठेत् गृहे दीपः तस्य नास्ति दरिद्रता शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धन संपदः।
Seated on the dais today. इसी के साथ I would request all of you to stand for the Saraswati Vandana. much, everyone. Please be seated. Today, with the heart full of warmth, with the heart full of gratitude, and most importantly, with the heart full of respect towards our leader, I formally welcome the guests on the dais, our dignitaries of the dais, all the faculty members, staff members, and our students for this Prerna Divas. And to begin with, we start with the felicitation for our guests seated on the dais today. If may I please request Dr. Pallavi Jain to come upon the stage and felicitate Dr. Kalpana Patel for today. And as I said in the beginning, अरे बहुत ही खुशी और बहुत ही सम्मान की बात है, तो आज के दिन ऐसा मत करिए यार. हाँ, बर्थडे हम बना रहे हैं, अभी रिटर्न गिफ्ट हमें हमारे फाउंडर चांसलर सर पहले ही दे चुके हैं, तो उसी बात पे एक मुस्कुराहट तो आप सबके चेहरे पे बनती ही है. हाँ, जो नहीं सोचा था वो भी हम उनको क्या दे सकें जो उन्होंने हमको दिया. Now, if may I request Dr. Niranjan Lal to please come up on stage and felicitate Dr. Avnish Vashisht with the beautiful bouquet. Dr. Niranjan Lal is not here as yet. If I may request Dr. Ajay Singh Yadav for that matter to please come up on stage and felicitate Dr. Avnish Vashisht, HOD CSE, एक खूबसूरत सा गुलदस्ता देते हुए. Requesting Dr. Abhilasha to please come up on stage. Thank you, ma'am. Faster, faster. Dr. Abhilasha to please come up on stage and felicitate our very own Dr. Rupali Singh with this beautiful bouquet. मैं बार बार नहीं बोलूँगी यार, please. खूबसूरत सा गुलाब टू खूबसूरत सी महिला. बाय द खूबसूरत सी महिला ऑल्सो. Requesting Dr. Shekhar Tyagi Chand to please come up on stage and felicitate Mr. Freedom Daniel. शर्मा शर्मा के एक गुलदस्ता ले ही लेंगे. Welcome, sir. आज दृश्य कुछ बदला बदला सा है. हमारे डिग्नेटरीज आर सीटिंग ऑफ द डायस एंड गेस्ट्स आर सिटिंग ऑन द डायस. आई एम श्योर इसके पीछे भी कुछ विजन रहा होगा जो कभी पता चलेगा हमें. बट मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, हम शुरुआत करेंगे, सबसे बात करेंगे, लेकिन एक बात है कि whenever we open Wikipedia, whenever we open Google for that matter, and we search Dr. T.R. Parivender, बस फिर पढ़ते ही जाइए about the achievements, about what all he has done for the community. I was wondering that we always say that our founder chancellor sir is the visionary leader. What exactly is visionary leader, I used to wonder. बस एक term. But then I realized there were 3 parameters saying एक जो दुनिया को दूसरी नज़र से देखता है. एंड आई वंडर्ड 1969 और उनको दिखा नीड फॉर एजुकेशन एंड ही स्टार्टेड नाइटिंगेल मैट्रिकुलेशन हायर सेकेंडरी स्कूल. जब शायद लोग कुछ नहीं सोच रहे होंगे तो उन्होंने विजन किया आज से 50 साल 70 साल आगे का और दिखाया that there was a need for education and started with that. विजनरी लीडर वो जो दूसरों को विजन एनहांस करने में, दुनिया को दूसरी नज़र से देखने में कोशिश करवाता है, दिखवाता है कि नज़रिया कुछ और है, और जोड़ते चले गए अपने साथ एक परिवार जो एजुकेशन को आगे बढ़ाता चला गया. और आज उस परिवार का एक बहुत प्राउड हिस्सा हम भी हैं. आई एम श्योर आप सब मेरी तरह सेम ही बात फील करते हैं दैट वी आर वेरी प्राउड ऑफ बीइंग द SRM फैमिली. एंड इफ़ येस, आई वुड लाइक टू हियर दैट साउंड in the clap stating how proud we are being a small part of this beautiful family that our founder Chancellor Sir created. वो जो ड्रीम्स को रियलिटी में कन्वर्ट करता है, आई डोंट थिंक इसके लिए कोई भी बात करनी ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि हम सबके ड्रीम्स अलॉन्ग विद वो बच्चे जो यहाँ से ग्रेजुएट हो रहे हैं, पढ़ रहे हैं, उनके ड्रीम्स आज तक कितनी ही ज़िंदगियाँ बदल चुके हैं, ऑल बाय द ग्रेस ऑफ आवर ऑनरेबल फाउंडर चांसलर सर. विद दैट, वो कहते हैं ना, उम्र थका नहीं सकी, ठोकरें गिरा नहीं सकी, उन्हें ज़िद है जीतने की, इसलिए हार भी उन्हें हरा नहीं सकती. With this, I would like to call upon the podium for the welcome address Dr. Kalpana Patel, HOD Departments of Physics, for her welcome address, ma'am. Please to encourage everybody on the dais.
Thank you, Harshita ma'am. Good afternoon to our esteemed dignitaries, our Director Sir, Dr. S. Viswanathan, Dean of SRM NCR, Dr. R.P. Mahapatra Sir, Dean of Science and Humanities, Dr. Naveen Elhavat Sir, Dean of FMS, Dr. N.M. Mishra Sir, Dean of IQAC, Dr. Dhaumya Bhatt ma'am, HODs of various departments, faculty members, students and staff members. I welcome you all with all my warm heart. With Prerna Divas celebration is a day dedicated to honor the spirit of inspiration and power of dreams. Today, we all have self-possessed here to recognize the remarkable achievements of visionary leader that have inspired us all to strive the greatness and to reflect on the values that drive us forward. Prerna Divas is not just a celebration, it is a reminder of the endless possibilities that await those who dare to dream and work tirelessly to bring those dreams to life. It is a day that encourages us to look beyond the ordinary, to challenge the status, and to seek excellence in all that we do. On this special occasion, we remember the visionaries and pioneers who have paved the way for progress and innovation. We honor the individuals who have not only achieved greatness in their own right, but have also inspired others to follow in their footsteps. Their stories are a testament to the power of determination, resilience, and the belief that a person can intend to make a difference. As we gather here today, let us take a moment to reflect on the journeys of those who have inspired us. Let us draw strength from their perseverance, learn from their experience, and be motivated to pursue our goals with change. Today, we have gathered here to honor the legacy and vision of a man whose name has become synonymous with excellence in education and relentless pursuit of knowledge, Dr. T.R. Paribendar Sir, the esteemed founder and chancellor of SRM Group of Educational Institutions. Additionally, he is also the founder and president of India Jangaya Kachi. Our leader, Dr. T.R. Paribendar Sir's journey is one that fills us with awe and admiration. From humble beginnings in establishing one of the most respected educational institutions and other contributions, his story is a proof to the power of determination, vision, and unwavering commitment to uplift society through education and generosity in action. Under his visionary leadership, the SRM Group has grown into a shining example of knowledge and innovations, nurturing countless young minds and empowering them to achieve their dreams. As we have come together to celebrate Prerna Divas, let us draw inspiration from our Honorable Chancellor Sir, extraordinary life and contributions. His passion for education and society has not only transformed the lives of students but also of social order, which has shaped the future of the nation. Today, we stand on the foundation of his dreams, and it is our duty to carry forward his legacy with the same dedication and zeal. Our Chancellor's vision continues to inspire us, and his leadership remains a guiding light for everyone at SRM and beyond. As we embark on this celebration, let us all strive to embody the values and principles that he has instilled in us and work together to build a future filled with hope, innovations, and endless possibilities. Once again, I extend a warm welcome to everyone here on this momentous occasion. Let's make Prerna Divas a day to remember, a day that echoes the spirit of inspiration that our Sir has so generously shared with us all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, ma'am. As ma'am rightly said, his vision towards the community, his vision towards the education is always uplifting. मुझे याद है लास्ट ईयर जब हम प्रेरणा दिवस सेलिब्रेट कर रहे थे, उसके लिए गैदर हुए, then we got to know that Sir has given 100% scholarship to thousands of students who were not able or was lacking behind because of the situations. उनकी बायोग्राफी में आज मैंने पढ़ा, भगवान देखा था उन्होंने उन बच्चों की मुस्कुराहटों में जो अपनी किस्मत बदलना चाहते थे पर मजबूर थे. 100% स्कॉलरशिप दी उन बच्चों को जो पढ़ाई की तरफ आकर जाकर अपने लिए और कम्युनिटी के लिए और देश के लिए कुछ करना चाहते थे. जानते नहीं थे शायद कि आज उन्हीं बच्चों के लिए जिनकी मुस्कुराहटों में भगवान देख रहे थे हमारे फाउंडर चांसलर सर, आज उन्हीं बच्चों के लिए वो खुद भगवान बन गए. और ऐसे जाने कितने ही बच्चे हैं जो उनको भगवान के रूप में देखने लगे, क्योंकि जो बच्चे अपनी एजुकेशन नहीं स्पॉन्सर कर पाए, बदल सकते थे अपनी किस्मत लेकिन हालातों से मजबूर थे, उन बच्चों की किस्मत उन्होंने यूं ही बदल दी. So on these words and to the great vision and man that we have behind our career and the sector of education, a huge round of applause for that God who has given life's hopes, arrays of living to all those students. With this, I would request Dr. Avnish Vashisht, HOD CSC, for his word and tell all the gatherings out here about his journey of impact from his vision to reality.
Thank you, ma'am. A very good afternoon to one and all present here. Respected Director Sir, respected Deans, my mentor, Mahapatra Sir, heads of different verticals, faculty and staff members, and my dear students. Today we gather here to celebrate the 85th birthday and remarkable achievements of a visionary leader, a beacon of education, and a true inspiration for all of us, our esteemed Chancellor and Founder, Dr. T.R. Parivedar. My dear friends, just recall those days when we were preparing ourselves for the NAC accreditation. We were all asked to familiarize ourselves with the vision and mission of SRM. If we can recall, it was clearly stated that our Chancellor had a clear vision of creating a world-class university. Today, we can proudly say that the vision he had so many years ago is something we all are witnessing and living today. His dream of creating a world-class institution has been realized, and the impact of his work is felt not only within the walls of SRMIST, but also across the globe. Under his guidance, SRMIST has explained its horizon, offering a diverse range of programs from engineering and medicine to management and the arts. The institution has not only grown in size and stature, but also made a significant impact on society by producing graduates and postgraduates who are equipped to meet with the demand of a rapidly changing world. As we honor his immense contributions, it is only fitting that we dedicate this day as a Prerna Divas, a day of inspiration. Let us make this Prerna Divas a day of reflection, inspiration, and action, a day where we renew our commitment to our own goals, guided by the principles that our Chancellor Sir has championed throughout his life. In closing, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to the Chancellor Sir for his extraordinary contributions to education and society. On behalf of the entire CSE department and the SRM IST fraternity, I wish him a very happy birthday and many more years of health, happiness, and continued success. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Vashisht. So, Dr. Ralph Waldo Emerson once said, "Do not follow where the path may lead. Go instead where there is no path and leave a trail." किसी के footsteps follow करना is one thing, और अपने footsteps बनाना is one thing. I don't think कि 99% of people can think on this vision. मतलब उन 99% में तो मेरा नंबर सबसे आगे ही आता है. I can never imagine to do something which no one has ever did. और वो काम ऐसा करो कि उस ट्रेल पे दुनिया फॉलो करने लगे. I think this one statement exactly states who our honorable founder Chancellor Sir is. Under his vision and leadership, yes, today SRM Group of Education, Science and Technology, the education term described by the SRM IST, and this is all because his visionary leadership. And of course, we stand tall as one of the most premium institutions across the country, and it all started with the vision of our honorable founder Chancellor Sir. मैं सीरियसली कभी कभी बैठकर ये बात सोचती हूँ कि कितने ऐसे लोग होंगे जो SRM इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी से जुड़े होंगे, कितने ऐसे परिवार होंगे जो SRM इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी से चल रहे होंगे, और उन सब के परिवारों को चलाने वाला सिर्फ एक विजनरी लीडर, Dr. T.R. Parivinder. So with this, I would request Dr. Rupali Singh, HOD Department of ECE, to take the podium and give the address upon generosity in action and transforming lives, the philanthropic influence of the Honorable Founder Chancellor Sir.
Thank you, Harshita. Respected Director Sir, Dean Sir, Dean Science and Humanities, Dean FMS, Dean IQAC, heads of various departments, and my dear colleagues. First and foremost, I would like to extend my warm wishes to our Honorable Founder Chancellor Sir on this special occasion of his 85th birthday. Honorable Sir, like a tree, you dispel the wind and preserve your branches, giving shades to many, making fruits available for all. Happy birthday, Honorable Chancellor Sir. I wish you a long life and good health. May this day be filled with joy, love, and celebrations. He is the epitome of hope, hard work, generosity, and we are grateful for his presence in our lives. From humble beginning as a dedicated teacher, he has risen to become a towering figure in the education, diverse businesses, and politics. He has been inspiring generations of students and educators alike since 1969 with his visionary leadership and transformative impact. He is a charismatic leader who embodies the values of compassion, empathy, and selfless service. As Honorable Chancellor Sir quotes, persistent and dedicated hard work is key to the success. And he himself, with these values, has envisioned, created, and contributed to the well-being of the society. He has been a pillar of strength to the poor and the needy. As an educationalist, he has always granted scholarships to the deserving and needy, thereby empowering not only the individuals, but also the families of the beneficiaries. In his Perambalur constituency, he has worked for the community, offering admissions in engineering to nearly 300 students from poor families. At SRM hospitals, where philanthropy and professionalism shake hands, free medical assistance were offered to the common people of Perambalur constituency. The Autism Center of Excellence at SRM Medical College Hospital and Research Center is a home to the children with autism who can receive free rehab services. Even during the COVID time, SRM Medical College and Hospital was identified by the government of Tamil Nadu as one of the major hospitals in Chennai zone to treat the COVID patients. A 200-bed COVID center was established with ICU facility, and more than 5,000 patients were treated there in the second wave of pandemic. In terms of social welfare, in 2018, Honorable Chancellor Sir donated around 1.07 crores towards the CM Distress Relief Fund in Kerala State. Also recently, he contributed a relief fund of about 1.5 crores for the landslide that took place in Wayanad recently in Kerala. Further, with the blessings of Honorable Chancellor Sir, the Delhi NCR campus has been contributing regularly to the society over the years in a large way. For example, by providing educational aids to the special kids, then orphanages, charity initiatives for old age homes, and many more such initiatives. A regular Annadan service is organized every Saturday as a vendor rasoi at our campus for the needy people. With a heart full of compassion and a spirit of selflessness, our Chancellor Sir has dedicated himself to making a positive impact in the lives of others. From supporting education and healthcare initiatives to providing aid to those in need, his philanthropic endeavors have touched countless individuals and communities. His generosity is a shining example of the power of kindness and the difference one person can make in the society. Our Chancellor Sir has shown that we all have the ability to create positive change in the world. Let us draw inspiration and strive to make a positive impact in our own unique ways. Let us recognize that generosity is not limited to grand gestures, but can be demonstrated in everyday acts of kindness and compassion. To our Chancellor Sir, we offer our deepest gratitude for your tireless efforts to make our world a better place. We are overwhelmed with the gesture that our founder Chancellor has shown on his 85th birthday, and he has gifted all of us a sum of rupees 1,000 and a silver coin. So your generosity has touched our hearts, our minds, and lives, leaving a lasting legacy. Thank you so much, our Chancellor Sir, for your tireless efforts to create a brighter, more compassionate world. The heritage will continue to inspire and uplift us for generations to come. Thank you all for giving me this opportunity. Once again, I extend my heartfelt prayers for good health, happiness, and long life for the Honorable Chancellor Sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. As ma'am rightly said, we wish for good health, prosperity, and long life to our Honorable Founder Chancellor Sir. With that, it's time for cake cutting, but before that, since we all have already received the return gift today, I would like everybody to send in the happy birthday wish to our Honorable Founder Chancellor Sir. All that we can do is to together wish him happy birthday. On the count of 3, all together we wish happy birthday to our Honorable Founder Chancellor Sir. And for that I want कि ये जितने भी बच्चे यहाँ बैठे हैं उन सब की आवाज़ सबसे आगे गूंजे, क्योंकि उनके विजन ड्रीम्स इनटू रियलिटी वाला आप ही से प्रूफ होने वाला है. Are we all together in this? Okay, so on the count of 3, 1, 2. Absolutely, this is the matter of respect. We can't change it. So this birthday wish, along with utmost respect. On the count of 3, sir. Let us do this with such generosity that if he ever gets to see this video, he feels that we all respect him by the bottom of our hearts. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to our honorable Chancellor. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Chancellor. Happy birthday to you. And with this continued spirit, let us have this small ceremony of cake cutting. If may I request everyone to please bring up the cake on the stage. And if I may request the dignitaries of the dais to come up on stage with the guests on the dais for cake cutting. Mere pyare bacche, please come. Be a part of this cake cutting ceremony. बहुत ही हर्षोल्लास के साथ इस मीठी सी सेरेमनी को करते हैं. Even though we do not have our Chancellor Sir amongst us, but we do have our leaders on the stage. As I said, मेरे प्यारे बच्चे, I genuinely want इतने अच्छे बच्चे बैठे हैं. Please come on stage. You deserve to do this. The 2 rows in front. Girls behind, please come बच्चे.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, and the star burn tonight. Happy birthday to you.
All of you, please stand up for the respect again.
Happy birthday to you.
Please.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. birthday to you. Happy birthday, and the star burn tonight. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, and the star burn tonight. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, and the star burn tonight. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, and the star burn tonight. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, and the star burn tonight. Happy birthday to you. 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 Happy birthday, and the star burn tonight. Happy birthday to you. 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 Happy birthday, and the star burn.
Till the time stage sets up, हम में से बहुत सारे लोग चांसलर सर से कभी मिल नहीं पाए हैं, हाँ, लेकिन उनके बारे में बातें ज़रूर सुनी हैं. But we have few people who have actually met and have experiences with our visionary leader. And now I want to request those people who would want to personally salute the leadership of our visionary founder Chancellor Sir. And to begin with, I would request Dr. Ranjana Dubey कि आप मुझे और हम सबको अपने एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में, चांसलर सर के बारे में कुछ ऐसा बताएं जिसको सुन के हम वापस से उस जोन में आए कि येस, वी आर इनटू दैट फैमिली हु इज़ एक्चुअली ब्लेस्ड. इफ़ मे आई रिक्वेस्ट द टीम टू हैंड ओवर द माइक टू डॉक्टर रंजना दुबे. एंड आप सब भी अपने आप से मुझे बता सकते हैं, या यू कैन come up saying those experience or some memory that you had in terms with our founder Chancellor Sir. Ma'am, please.
Very good afternoon. Very good afternoon to one and all over here. All the dignitaries on the dais and off the dais. सबसे पहले मैं ऑनरेबल चांसलर सर को उनके 50वें जन्मदिवस पर आप SRM की तरफ से, NCR कैंपस की तरफ से और हम सब की तरफ से श्रद्धापूर्वक उनको जन्मदिवस की बधाइयाँ देना चाहूँगी. वैसे तो यहाँ बैठे सभी वक्ताओं ने, जिन्होंने मेरे से पहले बोला है, और मैडम हर्षिता ने भी बहुत कुछ बोल दिया उनके बारे में, और फिर भी हर किसी को अपने दिल के उद्गार तो प्रकट करने हैं. तो मैं सिर्फ ये कहना चाहूँगी कि डॉक्टर T.R. पारविंदर शिक्षा जगत का एक ऐसा नाम जो देश और विदेश कहीं के लिए भी अब अपरिचित नहीं है, एक आइकन है. सर का जीवन एक प्रेरणा सहित उदाहरण है. किसने सोचा था 1969 में, आज से करीब 55 वर्ष पहले, एक साधारण सा टीचर एक सपना देखेगा कि एक स्कूल खोला जाए बच्चों के लिए, क्योंकि वो उनके दिल में ये भावना कि सोसाइटी के लिए अगर कुछ करना है तो उसका सबसे अच्छा तरीका है कि शिक्षा उत्तम हो. क्योंकि अगर हमारा युवा, हमारे बच्चे अच्छे संस्कारित शिक्षा पाएंगे तो ही एक अच्छे भविष्य का, एक अच्छे भारत का निर्माण होगा. ये सोच के उन्होंने एक स्कूल की स्थापना की. उसके कुछ ही दिनों बाद उन्होंने इंजीनियरिंग पॉलिटेक्निक की स्थापना की, और फिर पीछे मुड़कर नहीं देखा. वो सोचते गए और कारवां आगे बढ़ता रहा. क्या कारण है इसके पीछे? कभी सोचने की कोशिश की है आपने? क्या ऐसे ही हमारे आसपास हमें बहुत से लोग दिखते हैं जो स्कूल खोलते हैं? हमारी फैमिली में ही बहुत से लोग ऐसे हैं जिन्होंने इंस्टीट्यूशंस खोले हैं, स्कूल खोले हैं. पर क्या ऐसी प्रगति होती है? नहीं होती. कारण क्या है? कोई मुझे इसका कारण बताएगा? क्योंकि मेरे दिमाग में एक उत्तर है, मैं चाह रही हूँ कि आप में से कोई बताए. चलिए मैं इसको थोड़ा स्पष्ट करती हूँ. उनकी मेहनत और लगन, ये दो चीज़ें तो थी ही, क्योंकि बिना मेहनत, बिना लगन के कोई काम में आप सफल नहीं हो सकते हैं. परंतु इसके साथ एक और बहुत ज़रूरी चीज़ है जो किसी को भी अपार सफलता पाने के लिए ज़रूरत होती है, और वो होता है आपको अच्छे सपोर्टर्स मिलें, आपके सबॉर्डिनेट्स भी आपकी ही फीलिंग को, आपके ही आइडियाज़ को, आइडियोलॉजी को आगे बढ़ाएं। और सर को वो मिला। क्यों मिला? क्योंकि सर के हृदय में एक साफ गोई थी, एक पूरा डेडिकेटेड मन था, कहीं कोई हेरा फेरी का काम नहीं, सिर्फ सत्यता, सिर्फ निष्ठा, ये उनके दिमाग में। और इसके साथ ही सोसाइटी के लिए जो उनका समर्पण था, उसकी वजह से उन्हें ईश्वर का आशीर्वाद प्राप्त था। तो किसी भी को सफल होने के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है, हमारे प्रयास तो सबके होते हैं, ईश्वर का आशीर्वाद बड़े कम लोगों को मिलता है, और वो हमारे ऑनरेबल चांसलर के साथ हमेशा है। और मैं प्रार्थना करती हूँ कि आगे भी ऐसा ही बना रहे, वो स्वस्थ रहें और हमारे बीच में बहुत दिनों तक हमें आशीर्वाद देने के लिए बने रहें। और जैसा कि तुमने कहा कि अगर तुमने देख करके, सच में सर को देख के बस श्रद्धा से सर झुकता ही है। उनकी इतने डाउन टू अर्थ, इतने कोमल स्वभाव के कि दिल सचमुच अंदर से उनको नमस्कार करता है। थैंक यू सो मच।
आंसू आ गए आंखों में। Maybe this is what is known as genuine salute. So one round of applause for Dr. Ranjana Dubey, who gave us the insight of what it actually feels. And I can guarantee this to you, I had only one experience where I managed to see our honorable founder chancellor sir. सच में काफ़ी दूर से उन्हें देखा। एक होता है डर, वो नहीं था, एक होती है रिस्पेक्ट। शायद सिर्फ उस इज्जत की वजह से सर एक्चुअली उनके सामने झुका। विद दिस आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट anybody else, maybe Mr. Yatendra Kumar, to share his experience, as he has always taken care of the hospitality. Sir, to salute our visionary leader. Please, sir.
Thank you, Harshita ma'am, for providing me the opportunity. Respected directors, deans, and all the dignitaries and head of the department and students. I am only the person I can say, and before saying anything, I would like to say that happy birthday to our Honorable Chancellor, sir, and I will pray to the God that he will be having a long life and he will bless to all of us, for the, especially for the NCR campus and for the, all the students and everyone. I want to say that I am only the person in NCR campus, I can say, if I am not wrong. I was joined in 2011 in NCR campus, and since 2011, whenever he came visit the NCR campus, I am the only person in afternoon or in the evening. Whenever he will come, I am giving, and our department is blessed that we have providing our hospitality to them. I am having some few memories. In 2011, first time in front of that respected honorable chancellor sir, in front of that I was hesitated. I work in F&B service department. I never hesitated to serve the food to anyone. Why I was hesitated? Yes, I was having a little fear that if something will be wrong, he will be shout or something. But he is very down to earth. Even I know the personally that what he like, what he didn't like. Now he is having 85 years age. The personally that we know that what he prefer. Sometime I will tell you the one that incident. Whenever he is taking the food and Ranjana madam was saying कि वो सोचते रहते हैं वो इतने बड़े लीडर कैसे हुए हैं, वो इतने बड़े लीजेंड कैसे हुए हैं. इवन ए सिंगल मिनट और सिंगल सेकेंड आई नेवर सीन कि जब भी वो खाना खा रहे हैं, समथिंग इट इज गोइंग ऑन हिज माइंड दैट व्हाट ही हैज़ टू डू. सो वो चीज़ मैंने पर्सनली फील की है. एंड again I would like to thanks to the respected director sir that he has providing the opportunity to us, and for our department that we are, whenever he is coming, that we are giving our hospitality to him, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir. As Yatendra sir mentioned, the leader is never resting. Even though if he is eating, he has things caught up in his mind. That's why he has such a huge empire who bows down their head to respect our founder Chancellor, sir. With this, I would request our Dean Science and Humanities, Dr. Naveen Alawat, sir, to please come up on the stage. और एक बार आप ही समझा दीजिए कि हम किस खूबसूरत माहौल में बैठे हैं.
इस खुशी के मौके पे हर्षिता ने मुझे मौका दिया, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपका. सबसे पहले तो हम अपने चांसलर सर को जन्मदिन की शुभकामनाएं देंगे. वो कैसे? सब अपने अपने भगवान को, सब अपने ऊपर वाले को याद करते हुए हम दुआ करेंगे कि उनकी अच्छी सेहत हो, उन्हें अच्छा स्वास्थ्य मिले. आज सबसे इससे बड़ी उनके लिए कोई दुआ नहीं, बाकी उनके पास सब है. तो लेट अस स्टार्ट टू अपने भगवान को याद करते हुए चांसलर साहब की अच्छे स्वास्थ्य के लिए कामना करें. तो हम बोलते हैं, हम सब मिलकर इस ऑडिटोरियम में अपने चांसलर साहब के लिए अच्छे स्वास्थ्य की कामना करते हैं. हमारा भगवान इसे सुने और हमारी मनोकामना पूर्ण हो. किसी भी विजनरी का जन्मदिन मनाने के कुछ रीजन होते हैं. हम आखिरकार कहानियां ऐसे लोगों की क्यों सुना देते हैं? कभी किसी गीदड़ की कहानी सुनी है? जब भी सुनी होगी, किसकी सुनी है? शेर की कहानी सुनते हैं. क्यों सुनते हैं? क्योंकि हम उसके जैसा बनना चाहते हैं. तो आज जितना भी यहाँ सारे वक्ताओं ने आपको बताया, उसके पीछे एक ही रीज़न है कि हम सबको अपने चांसलर साहब का के पद चिन्हों पे चलना है और हमें उनके जैसा बनना है. उन्होंने अपनी लाइफ को हमारे लिए एग्जाम्पल बनाया. और जैसे इन्होंने बताया कि शुरुआत एक बहुत छोटे स्तर से हुई, लेकिन ये आगे, इतने आगे कैसे पहुंच गया? रीज़न क्या है? ये होती है एक इच्छा शक्ति. हमेशा आपकी स्किल काम नहीं करती, आपकी विल काम करती है. कितने लोग मानते हैं इस बात को? लग रहा है सबने बॉक्सिंग खेला है. जब आप बॉक्सिंग रिंग में गिर जाते हो, जब आपकी स्किल आपको खत्म कर देती है और आप नीचे पड़े होते हो, जब आपको और वो अंपायर बोल रहा होता है 1 2 3 4 और 10 से पहले पहले आपकी विल ही आपको उठाती है ना. तो हम सबको अपने अंदर ये भावना पैदा करनी है कि हम अपने चांसलर सर के पद चिन्हों पे चलें. बच्चों, आपको भी इसीलिए यहाँ बुलाया गया है, इसीलिए बताया गया है कि एक महान आदमी जिन्होंने अपना पूरा जीवन शिक्षा और उसकी प्रगति के लिए दिया, आप उसके पद चिन्हों पे चलें और भगवान आप सब में हमारे चांसलर साहब के विज़न हो और आप सब इसी तरह से हिंदुस्तान में इतनी सारी यूनिवर्सिटियां खड़ी कर दें. चांसलर साहब को जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत बधाई. धन्यवाद.
थैंक यू सर. हम सब ने मिलकर मनोकामना करी उनकी गुड हेल्थ और उनके प्रॉस्पेरिटी की. आगे बुलाना चाहूँगी आवर डीन फैकल्टी ऑफ मैनेजमेंट स्टडीज़ डॉक्टर NM मिश्रा सर टू प्लीज़ कम अप ऑन स्टेज, टेक अप द पोडियम. आराम से।
प्रेरणा दिवस के इस पावन अवसर पर मैं अपने माननीय चांसलर साहब की उनके जन्म दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देते हैं। और इस शुभकामना के अवसर पर जैसा कि हमें ऐसा प्रयास करने का कोशिश कर रहा हूं आप लोगों के बीच कि आप सभी लोग खड़ा होकर एक संकल्प लें। प्रेरणा संकल्प से पूर्ति होती है। अगर हम प्रेरणा में अपने चांसलर के प्रति वो संकल्प को ना पूरा करेंगे तो हमारा कार्य अधूरा रह जाएगा। तो हमने एक संकल्प पत्र है जो SRM IST NCR कैंप की तरफ से आया है, वो हम सब संकल्प लेने के लिए खड़े हुए हैं। संकल्प लेने में सबसे पहला होता है कि संकल्प हम थोड़ा हाथ को ना दाहिने हाथ को आगे करते हैं और मजबूती से आगे करते हैं। ऐसा मजबूती से आगे होना चाहिए कि हमारे चांसलर साहब को वो मजबूती दिखे कि हम सब एक हैं, यूनिवर्सल ह्यूमन वैल्यू की पहली कगार में। अब जैसे जैसे मैं बोलूँगा, एक प्लीज है, अंग्रेजी में प्लीज है, हिंदी में संकल्प पत्र है, सभी को वो संकल्प लेना है। वो मेरे साथ बोलिएगा। आज दिनांक 24 अगस्त 2024 को अपने परम आदरणीय माननीय चांसलर श्री TR परविंदर सर के जन्म दिवस पर इस पावन अवसर पर यह संकल्प लेते हैं कि मैं अपने चांसलर सर के बताए हुए मार्ग पर चलेंगे और कर्तव्य पथ पर चलते हुए राष्ट्र निर्माण में योगदान देंगे। मैं अपना नाम सभी लोग बोलेंगे, नरेंद्र मोहन मिश्र, SRM IST NCR कैंपस में अपने सेवा और शिक्षा से इसे सबसे ऊंचे संस्थान का निर्माण करने में सहयोग देंगे और समाज में प्रेरणा के स्रोत बनेंगे। धन्यवाद। कुछ लोग जिसने हाथ नहीं ऐसे किया था उनको भी मेरी ओर से प्रेरणा है कि अगली बार जरूर हाथ ऐसे कीजिएगा। मेरी एक छोटी सी आदत है, मैं एक छोटा आदमी हूँ, मैं ऐसे विराट व्यक्तित्व के बारे में क्या बताऊँ। मेरे पास कुछ भी शब्द नहीं है, क्योंकि उस विराट व्यक्तित्व ने जो हम लोगों के लिए दिया है वो बहुत कम है। उनको उनके बताने के लिए मेरे पास शब्द नहीं है। मेरे पास एक ही शब्द है जो मैं अपने डायरेक्टर साहब से अनुरोध किया था कि मुझे उनके वर्षों तक हमें सहयोग देते रहें। इसलिए मैं भगवान शिव का शिव तांडव स्तोत्र की 2 पंक्तियों से उनके दीर्घजीवी होने की कामना कर रहा हूँ। केवल 2 पंक्ति गाऊंगा, पूरा लंबा भी गा सकता हूँ, समय का अभाव है, इसलिए 2 पंक्ति से उनके दीर्घजीवी होने की कामना करता हूँ। डायरेक्टर साहब ने कहा ठीक है तुम कर लो, मैं कर लेता हूँ। ठीक है सर। जटाटवी गलज्ज्वल प्रवाह पावि स्थले गले अलंब लंबितां भुजंग तुंग मालिकां डमड्डमड्डम निडाड दुर्मयं चकार चंड तांडवं तनोति ना शिवं शिवम्। जटाकटा हस्पम भ्रमम निलिप निल्लरी बिलोल बीच बल्लरी विराजमान मूर्धनि धगत 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 जल ललाट पट्ट पावके किशोर चंद्रशेखरे रति प्रतीक्षणम मम। धराधीरेन्द्र मंदनी विलास बंधु बंधुर मंददंति संतति प्रमोदमान मानसे कृपा कटाक्ष धोरणी निरुद्ध धुरापति क्वचद्गंबरे मनो विनोद में तु वस्तुने। जटा भुजंग पिंगला स्फुटमनम मणि प्रभा कदम्ब कुंकुमद्रव प्रलिप्त दिव्य दो मुखे। मदांध सिंधोस्पुरा कुत्तरीय मोदरे मनो विनोद बुद्ध तम विभर्त भूत भर्तरी सहस्र लोचना प्रवृत्त शेष लेख शेखरा प्रसून दोलि धोरणे विदोर सांगति पटो। भुजंगराजमालया निबद्ध जाट जूट कस्त्रिय चिराय जायताम चकोर बंधु शेखर अल्लात्मनिवानि पंचसायक नमानि लिप्न नायक सुधा मयूर लेख विराजमान शेखरम महाकपाली संपदे सिरम जटाल वस्तुना। बोले हमारे साथ सभी लोग ओम नमः शिवाय।
ओम नमः शिवाय।
धन्यवाद।
तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट ने कह दिया थैंक यू सर। The celebrations has just begun. We celebrate Prerna Divas today from 24th August up till 5th of September with honor the enduring legacy of our visionary leader. And to extend a formal vote of thanks, I would request Mr. Friedian Daniel to please come up on podium.
Good afternoon to all. So I just feel that giving vote of thanks is the toughest of all speeches. Well, I take this opportunity to wish our Honorable Chancellor a very happy and memorable birthday. I wish to put forth the words of Victor Hugo. He who opens a school door closes a prison. Teaching is the noblest of all professions in that it shapes future generations, imparts knowledge and values, in addition to empowering individuals. I just feel loss of words to explain the eminence of our founder chancellor, who has established such a huge university to imbibe values in lakhs of souls. I just want to share an epigram in the form of Thirukkural as written by the poet and philosopher Thiruvalluvar. Variyar konru ஈவதை ஈகை மற்றெல்லாம் குறி எதிர்ப்பை நீர துடைத்து. The meaning of this profound couplet is to give to the needy alone is charity. All the rest is investment for a return. I think this couplet fits well for our beloved Chancellor. All his selfless deeds of charity in diversified ways that we have already listened through various people goes a long way to explain him as an embodiment of benevolence. As asked by ma'am just a few minutes back, those of you who had the chance of interacting with our Honorable Chancellor, I am one of those persons who have interacted with him multiple number of times. So I wanted to mention just only one incident, but I'm not able to control myself, so I'm explaining the other one also. Two things that I really touched my heart. Way back in the year 2014, it happened that our director sir, he encouraged us a lot to build a vehicle, go-kart vehicle, to participate in the national level competition to be held in Coimbatore. So, with some great initial efforts, we made a project. In fact, we had started that project and it was in the rudimentary stage. So we were filled with excitement, and through our director sir, we approached the Chancellor for financial support. And as usual, we are just keen to look upon his eyes for his response. The words that he mentioned really shocked us. He looked upon the project and then he told to director sir at that time, he told we need to support them. They are trying to do something really big, we need to support them. So this was his words, and with that immediately he sanctioned 3 lakh rupees immediately. So With high hopes, we went to participate in a competition in Coimbatore, but we could not win a prize in that competition, which was held in year 2014. But the next year, we participated the very same competition with the very same vehicle with some modifications. So in the year 2015, when we participated again with the same vehicle, we won the first prize out of 130 teams across the country. So it was a marvelous achievement. It was the second project which we had undertaken under the able guidance of our director, sir. He was the driving force for all of us, encouraging force for all of us, and we won that first prize. And today, I'm just, with gratitude, I fondly remember that event and vow that victory to the generosity of our Honorable Chancellor. The second incident, I was not about to tell this, but as I told you before, I could not stop this. I could not contain myself from not sharing that. So many years back, it was the initial stage of this institute. And it happened that a meeting was convened in a small room. Our director sir was there and a few more people were there, and we sat. Suddenly, Chancellor sir was there. He was sitting in a sofa and all were seated. I entered and there was no space for me to sit. So I wondered what to do now. I was just thinking that let me step back and go away. Without hesitation, he told, come here, sit by my side. He asked me to sit just beside him on the sofa, which really shocked me to the core. I just thought he could have asked me to bring a chair. He could have asked me to sit in a separate chair to maintain the dignity of a chancellor. But as mentioned by many of you, he was so downtrodden to earth that he asked me to sit just beside him. So with a trembling heart, I was managing to sit for all the course of the meeting, which lasted for around 30 minutes or so. Very downtrodden to earth. I have the privilege of meeting him so many times. I have observed him to be very calm, very, very simple. Very, very simple. We happen to learn a lot of things when we meet him. There are so many things. I think time won't be enough if I were to mention so many of the attributes that this great visionary leaders carries. So with those few words, I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to our esteemed director, sir, for providing this platform where we can convene together to wish the great legendary leader a long life and many more years of success. I am indebted to all the respected deans for encouraging and supporting us through all the arrangements. My due gratitude to the head of the departments, faculty and staff members, and students for taking out time and effort to be part of this special occasion. Thank you, one and all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. As sir mentioned, thank you very much, all of you, to be a part of this event. We today initiate a series of curated events over the next 10 days, each designed as a tribute to the profound contributions of our Honorable Founder Chancellor, sir. We wish him a very happy, healthy birthday once again. And I thank all of you to be a part of this gathering. I would request everybody to stand on their places for National Anthem.